Welcome back to 3D Decode. Today we'll talk about a skill every rotating equipment and package engineer must master: vendor document review. From GA drawings to P&IDs, ILDs, datasheets, calculations, and ITPs, this is where design mistakes are caught before they hit the field. Let's break it down step by step. What you must be able to review quickly: general arrangement, GA, layout, maintenance clearances, base plate and foundation, lifting points, and operator access. P&ID, tags, line sizes and specs, valve fail positions like recycle valves must fail open, relief paths, seal and lube plans, and interlocks. Instrument loop diagram, ILD, ranges, wiring, I/O, intrinsic safety barriers, segregation of trips and voting between BPCS and ESD. Datasheets, API compliance, design pressure temperature, materials, performance curves, seals, LOS, couplings, noise and vibration guarantees. Calculations, analyses, nozzle load unity checks, B31.3 pipe stress, rotor dynamics, bearing loads, and base plate deflection. ITPQ NDE, WPSPQR WQT, scope of NDE, hold points and performance test acceptance. Spares and logistics, commissioning and 2-year spares, special tools, preservation, and lifting arrangements. What to catch? Red flags. Wrong valve fail action. For example, recycle valve not fail open. Missing rotor pull space or inadequate maintenance clearances. Excess nozzle loads or missing allowable data on data sheets. Seal plan mismatch with the process fluid, like Plan 11 on dirty service. Missing lube oil system redundancy, pumps, filters, coolers not N+1. Tag, line, or spec inconsistencies between P&ID, line list, GA, and ILD. No cause and effect reference for trips alarms on P&ID or ILD. How to review workflow: cross-check tags across GA, P&ID, ILD, and datasheets. Verify philosophies: recycle valve fail open, Q-min protection, correct seal plan, lube oil system redundancy. Check nozzle load reports. If Unity 1.0, send back for piping support revisions. Confirm maintainability: rotor pull space, lifting lugs, access ladders on GA. ITP check: hydro test, NDE, mechanical run, instrumentation checks per API acceptance. Close the loop: maintain a comment log with numbering, owner, and due dates. Mini quiz 1. Name 2 must-check items on a GA before approval. 2. What fail action should the compressor recycle valve have and why? 3. Which documents prove that nozzle loads meet allowables? 4. Why must ILDs show segregation between BPCS and ESD? Interview Q&A. Q. How do you prevent nozzle load problems without changing equipment? A. Add routing flexibility, offsets, loops, move or change the first support to rest guide, add line stops further out, or use springs for vertical movement. Q. What's your quick checklist for P&ID approval on a pump? A. Ensure minimum flow protection, correct seal plan with instruments, suction strainer if required, proper relief path, valve fail actions, consistent tag specs, and drains vents provided. Q. Why is rotor pull space marked on GA? A. It ensures maintainability. Without rotor pull space, bearing or rotor service becomes impossible in the field. What are essential hold points in the ITP for a compressor? A. Hydrostatic test, NDE of critical welds, mechanical run test, ASME PTC10, and instrumentation functional checks. And that wraps up our session on vendor document review for rotating equipment packages. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more practical engineering content. See you in the next video.